You put away Lincoln's breathing treatment stuff. I posted a story today showing Lincoln's, is this called a nebulizer?
Yes.
Everyone was like, where did you get that? This is a travel-sized nebulizer. And this is all that it includes, or like that, you know.
You need.
And everyone was like, my son has it, I've never seen one that small, my machine is huge. Anyway, I don't know where I got it, but this is a travel-sized one because when we found out Lincoln had asthma, sickness-induced asthma, we travel a lot. And so I was like, I don't want to get a machine and a travel machine, so we just only use a travel machine. Today is my birthday. Thank you. I am turning 37.
Yes.
I've had to double check with Joel a million times. I was really excited to get up, get ready for church, so we all like looked nice, and we woke up this morning and Lincoln, first of all, was super bad. We had to do a treatment on him and his throat just sounds horrible. Oh, there is like a golf ball. Okay, it's like half the size of a golf ball. What is this called? Glands? Are these your glands? Yeah, something like that. My glands are swollen. Anyway, oh, and he's been so lovey and sweet. Oh, yep, there it is. I woke up to the smell of a spice cake being made. Olivia and Cody were so sweet. And they made
Cody
a
insisted that
2-layer cake. Whose idea was the 2-layer?
whose idea was to stick 40 candles on a cake?
37, thank
I think
you.
it was only like 23.
True. It's okay. And who made the frosting?
Me.
What recipe did you use?
Someone in the cookbook.
Oh, I can't wait to try it. I literally can't wait to try this.
Yeah,
The size looks amazing.
Is it? Did you taste it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we all tasted the frosting, but not on the cake.
Good. So I said, for my birthday, I just want to go downstairs and watch a movie and cuddle in blankets and just enjoy a nice warm house when it's cool outside. That's what I want to do for my birthday. And kids, why couldn't we go downstairs? No pointing. Why couldn't we?
Broke
I'm
the
not
TV.
pointing.
Okay.
But
Boston broke.
We had some ground rules of no throwing. We didn't throw in my house. We don't throw here in Grandma's house. And some dominoes got thrown by accident, right, honey?
I broke the TV.
And completely broke Grandpa's TV. So I said, all right, everybody get your coats on. We are going to the store, even though typically we do not go to the grocery store or shop on Sundays. But we made an exception today because I was going to watch a movie with my family on my birthday.
While we were sick.
While we were all sick. So, oh yeah, Joel's not feeling well. Raise your hand if you're not feeling super well.
I had the worst sickness out of everybody.
Yeah, Lincoln's is the
My voice
worst.
has changed.
Mm-hmm.
called growing up.
We went and bought a new TV. We got it all set up. We got Grandpa's old one packaged up. While we were in town, we got a shower curtain because the one downstairs needs replaced.
Let's water it all over.
Yeah, it kind of gets water everywhere. So we got a new shower curtain. So for my birthday, that is what we did. And remember how I won the $1,000 bet? I was literally going to take that and go shopping with it. But instead we bought a TV. So all is well in the, the bet department. I spent the money.
It's like we need to have another bet to cover the difference.
I know, sad day. But that's what happens when you're a parent. Did I get absolutely mad? Yes, I did. Were heads rolling? Yeah, they were. But then you take a breath. Stuff is gonna happen, even if it's on accident, and then you just take care of it and move on. Life will move on, it will be fine. I have to show this sunset. It is too pretty. There she is. It's really beautiful out there. It's not even as pretty as it is in real life. I can tell you that. We could have vlogged our entire day, but it was my birthday and I didn't want to. So this is the vlog you're getting for my birthday. Anything else you want to add? You want to tell everyone your favorite thing about me? Since it's my birthday.
Oh, yeah, that you're 37 years old.
I was really dumb. They didn't like that one. So think of a new one.
What do you want me to tell them?
I want you to say something really nice about me.
I like your eyes,
Ooh, that's a good
and
one.
your nose, and your mouth, and your hair. And I think you're super fun.
Is that it?
And pretty.
Oh, I like that one.
I like your nails.
I like that one too.
I like knowing I've known you for a long, long time.
This is my favorite one. Tell them. Go ahead. Tell them what you told me earlier.
We've known each other 25 years.
Of my 37. Joel has been in my life for 25 of the 37 years that I've been alive.
Best 25 years of your life.
Say that in a different way.
Is it the best 25 years of your life?
No, say it's the best 25 years of my life.
Oh, the best 25 years of my life. That's
Oh, that's so sweet.
it. I feel genuinely about that.
Okay, my head is actually pounding. So, good night, everybody. Good night. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me from all of you. I had some truly thank you for making that cake for me, Cody and Olivia. I think it is the sweetest thing. I loved my card that you made, Boston. I loved my card that you made. Thank you.